I'm Nick Sorrentino for the Liberty and Economics Review and libertyandeconomics.com. So today was a hell of a day in the market. At one point, the market pretty much the Dow gapped down 1,000 points, or it gapped down about 500 points, but it went down about 1,000 points. Came back, ended the day down 347 points. Um, just absolute insanity. Just incredible day. Biggest intraday move since 1987, I believe. Um, okay, so this gap down I just talked about looks like they're saying that it was maybe a trader making a huge mistake. That a trader meant to trade 16 million shares of Procter and Gamble, but actually hit the B button, so that would be 16 billion shares, and that created this massive downdraft and took everything with it. So that we'll see. Nobody seems to know yet. It's 9:30 Eastern Time PM and nobody seems to have determined what exactly happened. Um, it may be that. It may also be a mixture of the high frequency models, trading models that a lot of the large banks are employing. That essentially are these quant models that um, may have just kind of started feeding on each other and created this kind of digital snowball um, in the marketplace. So we really don't know yet. Interestingly, it looks like the specialists are the guys on the floor in at the New York Stock Exchange, and they've been talking about getting rid of these guys for years and years. Um, Apparently, may have chilled everything out to on the super dip there enough for the market to essentially just regain its super very large dip for the day. So we'll see. That's very interesting. Humans intervened. Um, so, but regardless, the market was already down 400 points when there was this big dip, and the market is trading on fundamental fears. Uh, Basically, it looks like for lots of folks like me, I wrote a piece um, where basically it's just giving up on the market. It didn't make any sense to me. Why we're just cruising up didn't there didn't seem to be the foundation for this kind of a move. But you know, as they say, don't fight the tape. I mean, that's the best way to get hammered in the market. It doesn't matter how smart you think you are. The tape is smarter than you are. And if you want to make money, you better listen to the tape and not listen to yourself sometimes. But then, if you really want to make money, you got to listen to yourself. So, it's a trader's dilemma. But anyway, so anyway, the so we you got a couple of things coming together here, and Greece is on fire. I mean, Greece may take Europe with it. At least that's the fear. I mean, who knows? We get through all this stuff, right? But there is fear that basically Greece is going to default, and that Portugal may go with it. Spain maybe too. And here, let me throw this out there. Britain is in bad shape. Now, I'm not predicting Britain's default, but there people have called it London Ricky Vic on the Thames. So um, we'll see how Britain goes. Very interesting times to say the least. Um, but as as I look now at the Nikkei, Nikkei is open in Japan right now. It is currently down 3.78%. It basically opened straight down, um, and 403.82 points. Um, Interestingly, um, yesterday it was down 3.27%. Today it's down 3.78% as of this moment. Um, Over the past week, the Nikkei is down um, 7.83%. Uh, Craziness in the marketplace. Um, so uh, let's keep watching Greece. I'll be I cannot wait to watch CNBC tomorrow morning. I want to hear if things sound spinny to me, or people, or identify a reason or that big drop right there in the middle. Regardless, it may not even matter because the fundamental stuff, overwhelms. Um, you know, this maybe fat-fingered trader. So we'll see. But tomorrow should be an interesting day in the markets. So be careful, and maybe you shorts, you're actually going to make your money. So we'll see. Till next time, I'm Nick Sorrentino.